this is the hardest part. Okay. Welcome to another edition of Leslie Getting Sick and Doing Weird Natural Health Things. So, a little trick I want to let you in on is what we call magic socks. This is a traditional naturopathic treatment. Jay has just brought in the first pair of the magic socks. These are a cotton pair of socks. Ooh, those are real wet. These have just been dipped in the, how cold is the water? 50 degrees. Not that cold. Cold plunge that we have in the backyard. They're a little wet. Maybe you could have wrung them out faster, but this will be great. So I put this cold, kind of soppy wet socks on my feet, and then they're touching my feet because I don't want them to touch the bed. Oh, that is kind of cooling. And then you put breathable wool socks. This is the only pair of wool socks that I own, and I pretty much just use it for this operation. So you put these over top, and what that does is it sort of stimulates your body to stimulate the immune system, in some ways, bring on a fever and really rev up your immune system a bit to push things out. So when you wake up in the morning, your feet will be dry. You want to make sure to do this with cotton socks on the inside and wool socks on the outside, because you want it to breathe. You don't want the water to get trapped there. So, and as always, remember, this is just for your entertainment purposes only, of seeing my sick hair at 9:45 at night. And you should always talk with your doctor, and nothing in this video is approved by the FDA or is really meant to diagnose, cure, or treat any diseases. Check with your doctor first before you do any weird stuff with socks or anything else. Ugh, this is the hardest part. Okay. And then at the end, you get under the covers and sweat it out. Ugh. Wow. Okay, one down. 1, 2, go. Oof, man. Yeah. Is that the end? Oh, okay. Oh, man, it's just... It like presses it on there. Okay, but once it's on, it feels much better. Going to sleep. Ooh, thank you. It actually does feel much better once you're like horizontal and under the covers. And I even, we use this with my little 5-year-old goddaughter as well, as she'll even do it. I will let her mom do it while she's watching TV during the day. So it can be a really good intervention. Obviously, ask your doctor first. Anyone with poor circulation or feeling in their feet, like someone who is diabetic or having neuropathy, probably not going to be a magic sock gang. And again, consult your physician before implementing this or any other natural health or things you read on YouTube. Good night.